Alright guys, I'm on the Bucks numbers here for tonight. 4:35 p.m. Type live. We are live. 4:35 p.m. 4:35 p.m. We are going to grab the list. No numbers here. They will be numbered at the end, and that will be your numbers for the game. Drop it in a random 10 entries. Alright guys, rolled 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a raffle. 10, that's good enough. We're going 10 times. Good luck, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. Dice is a 10. Next click is your numbers for the game. Good luck. And 10. Alright, here's your numbers, guys. I'll drop these into the post. These are your numbers for tonight. Good luck. We are done. 4:36 p.m. We will type done. And we are done. 4:36. 4:36.